Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're looking at the top 5 best drones under $400 that offer incredible performance, high-quality cameras, long flight times, and smart AI features. These drones give you near-professional results without spending premium prices. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. GPS drone with Airdrop, 3-axis gimbal, and 5-inch touchscreen controller. This drone is packed with advanced features, including a 1-key airdrop system capable of carrying up to 1 pound, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 2.7K resolution, laser-based 360 obstacle avoidance, and a full-featured GPS system. It includes a 5-inch touchscreen controller, 50x zoom, waypoint flight, orbit mode, optical flow positioning, LED nightlights, and 28 minutes of flight time with up to 1.86 miles of control range. This is one of the most feature-rich drones in the under $400 price category. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage, and the built-in touchscreen controller eliminates the need for a smartphone. The laser obstacle avoidance works surprisingly well for the price, and the airdrop feature adds versatility for activities like fishing, delivery, or payload drops. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth video, built-in touchscreen controller, laser 360 obstacle avoidance, 1-key airdrop system, strong GPS performance with long range. Cons: 2.7K camera is lower resolution than competitors in this price range. Airdrop feature drains battery faster. Number 2. Holystone HS790 6K camera drone with 3-axis gimbal. The HS790 features a 6K camera with a full 3-axis gimbal for stabilized footage. It offers AI night shot, AI quick shots, follow me mode, GPS auto return, and a long 9 km transmission range. The total flight time is up to 60 minutes with 2 batteries included. The HS790 is a strong mid-range drone with excellent image quality. The 6K resolution and 3-axis gimbal deliver high-end video stability. The long-range transmission system performs well even in open areas. For creators eating higher resolution video, this model stands out. Pros: 6K high-resolution camera, full 3-axis gimbal stabilization, strong 9 km or 30,000 feet transmission range, 60-minute flight time, AI-assisted shooting modes. Cons: slightly heavier than similar models. Batteries require longer charging time. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE Fly More Combo, 4K EIS, ultralight, 93 minutes. The Atom SE weighs under 249 grams, avoiding registration requirements. It features a 4K EIS camera, 4km FPV transmission, brushless motor, 93 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo, and a 60-watt fast charging hub included. This is one of the best lightweight drones under $400. The combination of long flight time, portability, and reliable EIS video makes it ideal for travelers and beginners. The handling is smooth with good stability in moderate wind. Pros: ultralight under 249 grams, long 93-minute total flight time, fast charging hub included, strong 4K EIS stabilization, good beginner-friendly controls. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, lower wind resistance compared to heavier models. Number 4. Bwine F7 Mini, 4K video, 8K photo, 3-axis gimbal, 96 minutes, and under 249 grams. The Bwine F7 Mini includes a 4K video and 8K photo camera with a 3-axis gimbal, 6 km transmission distance, 96 minutes of total flight time, and weighs under 249 grams for FAA exemption. It includes GPS smart return, waypoint and orbit flight, and AI-powered follow mode. This drone offers some of the best camera stabilization in its class. The 3-axis gimbal produces smooth video, and the long flight time makes it perfect for extended outdoor shoots. Being under 249 grams is a big advantage for new flyers and travelers. Pros: 3-axis gimbal provides excellent stability, long 96-minute total flight time, 6 km long-range transmission, under 249 grams and easy to carry, Strong photo quality with 8K resolution. Cons. Plastic build feels lighter than premium models. App interface can lag occasionally. Number 5. Ruko F11 Gi2, 4K Gimbal plus EIS, 96 minutes, and long range. The Ruko F11 Gi2 features a 4K camera with a 2-axis gimbal plus EIS stabilization, 96 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries, and a long 16,404-foot FPV range. It includes GPS auto-return home, level 6 wind resistance, and a foldable travel-ready design. This drone is a strong value choice, offering a good balance between camera stability, long flight time, and wind resistance. The combination of gimbal plus EIS delivers clear, smooth footage. Build quality is solid, and the long-range control system works reliably. Pros: 4K camera with dual stabilization, gimbal plus EIS, strong 96-minute total flight time, level 6 wind resistance, long transmission range, great overall value for the price. Cons: not as compact as sub 249-gram drones, 2-axis gimbal less stable than 3-axis competitors. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.